Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 2024, 12 variant question number 6. And what a question we have given. You can see this one mentioned that this, AOB and EOF radius R. Okay. So it means this radius R, this radius R. But when you talk about the bigger sector, COD, which bigger sector? The bigger one, this one. The radius is 2R. So best way I'll do it what? I said before, if you want to get a grip in these kind of questions, so you have to draw a separate diagram. So these are theta and this radius. Okay, I'm label it O, F, E. And best make them separate. All right, let's talk about a bigger one. Bigger one is this. Okay, no need to make exactly, but this full length is 2R from here till here. And angle is 2 theta and O. So I think I missed one thing, C letter, D letter. I will take from here and I bring separate, maybe I need some little small diagram. Okay, now students, I think we can do it easily. What's the plan? You say perimeter of the plate is 14. That means outer boundary. You can see students, look, and don't include this length inside. Okay, so perimeter is what? Perimeter is 14. So let's try to do it. So I'm starting from one by one, starting from here. And first I go this way, then arc length. Do you know, student, how to get this arc length? Not a hard job. S is equal to R theta. And what about this arc length? I'm finding it here. S is equals to R theta, but R is 2R. Theta is 2 theta. So S is either, so this turns to be what? This turns to be S is equals to 4R theta. 4R theta. I think point is very clear. Let's start perimeter. I part. Not it's only one part only. So let's go for the perimeter. So perimeter, I'm starting. So start from here. R and plus arc length is this much. So let's start. R plus R theta plus, for your knowledge, this is a total 2R. If this R gone, so what about this R also? So R and R. So I have to go for one more R. And this is a total arc length. We have it here, 4R theta. So I'm writing here 4R theta. Now I did R and this and this. So I'm writing R and this arc length is this. So I think not a hard job, only attention is required. Okay, I'm replacing perimeter by 14. So when I replace 14 and 1R, 2, 3, and 4. So 4R and R, 4R theta, 5R theta, 6R theta. I got 6R theta. If I make divided by 2, so it may give me what? 2 sevens are, 2 twos are, and 2 3 times. Equation number 1 done. So let's go for next part. Next part is area of the plate. Actually, area of plate means area of this sector into 2 because 2 and plus big area. So let's go for it and area of sector. So I'm writing here area of the whole plate. So formula half R square theta into 2, logically, smaller diagram. And half R square theta, this is a big one. Okay, this 2 cancel out and small radius and theta remain same. So I'm leaving it R square theta. But the bigger is different. Radius is not R, 2R. I can see on top, even I replace here 2R. In diagram, we have this 2R. So I believe the point is very clear. So I'm writing here 2R. And theta is 2 theta. So an area is how much given? 10. 10 is an area. So I'm writing here 10. And R squared theta. And this 2 to cancel out. I got a 4 R squared theta. Now this becomes what? 10 is equals to 5r squared theta. Or I can see here I got what? R squared theta is equals to 2. Because 5 will divide under 10, that is why. So I believe up to here, the point is very clear. Now I have to solve them simultaneously. Okay. So if I can do theta subject and replace there, or I can make a R subject from here, replace here. Both availability we have. Actually, I have to get rid of the one variable. So if I take a R common from here, replace here, but square will play in a role, okay? So play a role here. 2 over R square, this I got a theta value from here. Can I plug in this value here? Yes, I think this is a better way. So I'm going to do now here, put in 1. So 7 is equals to 2r plus 3r, but theta place, I'm putting 2 over r square. This r will cancel power 2. 7 is equal to 2r plus 6 by r. Multiply by r whole equation. I got a 7r is 2r to power 2 plus 6. Okay, I reorder r 2r squared negative 7r plus 6 is equals to 0. So 6 to the 12 and 4 3 is a 12. So you see, there's not a hard, only problem is algebra. So 2r common, I got r minus 2, negative 3 common, r minus 2. So I'm getting r minus 2 and 2r minus 3. I got two answers, 2 and r is equals to 3 by 2. But according to demand of question, he said r should be more than 3 by 2. So more, R3. So this is equal 3 by 2. So I should cancel it. So this is my answer number 1. And because 3 by 2 or above is not acceptable, sorry, more acceptable, equal and below is not acceptable. So this is done. Now how to get the other one? So I think I can do it so easily. How? If I plug in this value R here. So theta is equals to 2 over r, is a 2 square. So 2 over 4, and I got a 1 over 2, or I can say half, or theta 0.5. So both are correct, and let me check it. He says one thing, that r theta must be less than 3 by 4. So this value is less than 3 by 4, and I hope so the concept is totally clear, and the complete question is over. Only basic algebra we need to practice.